Hey there, Ronnie with Schaefer's, and now we're going to talk about putting pedestals on Samsung front load laundry. So we're going to start here with the dryer, and the way these pedestals come out of the box, the clamps that you need to fasten the pedestal or the dryer to the pedestal are already installed for you. So you just need to take out the screws that are in the clamps and just kind of put your finger here to hold the nut in place. And just take the screw out. So you want the screws to come completely out, and then you can just open these clamps. So pull wide open, spread this open. Now that the clamps are all open, we're ready to lift the dryer on top of the pedestal. One other thing though, before we do that, if you do need to take the drawer out in order to level the pedestal to get to the feet, there's 2 screws on each side. So we've got 2 on this side in this metal slide and 2 on this side in the metal slide. And you just take those 2 screws out of each side, pull up on the drawer and pull it out. And now we're ready to lift onto the bracket. And you've got feet that'll just click into place. Got all 4 feet. You can close the brackets around the feet. Take a screw. So we close it up. Now your dryer is attached to your pedestal. And we can move on to the washer, which is the exact same way. So we have our same pedestal here. Take our screws out. Open them up. Feet into the brackets. And that's the installation of Samsung laundry peds. You're now ready to push them into the hole and finish your install.